arranged the same way. So if I want to do something on internet, swipe, search, swipe back. So
Maybe that's
how
what I
use
need to
them.
do.
Okay, guys.
But I know exactly what you're saying now.
So, refresher. Tell me about CoreData from the last two times. So everything's pretty much the same. Now it works though. So if anyone didn't know, you need to use the bang symbol to get the actual text out of a text field.
Wait, can you explain that word?
Right. So entry name is connected to this text field, but if you want to get the text that they sent in it, you need to use it because it's an optional. It comes as an optional because they could have text and they probably didn't have text.
So this is like if I remember the exclamation mark, it's a force action or something like that.
I think what it does is because I was trying to figure out why mine wasn't working, and I'm definitely not the king on this subject, but it sounded like it actually unwraps it. It's unwrapping it because it's actually totally different data type than text.
Oh, so it's unwrapping the data type to get the thing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which is funny.
Because I've used it too with the JSON trying to
So yeah, you have to do that, and that's what was giving me my problem when I was trying to set it inside for CoreData, because all these values in here are set to the string data type, and I was passing in like the text field because I wasn't unwrapping it, so it was complaining. But yeah, so these other things, again, this is getting my users table, and then this represents that table, like the actual NS manage object, and I don't know how to describe that super well. But with the NS manage object, you have this set value. So on this user for the table, I can set in these values for it, and then the manage context it saves. And then down here, this is the newer part that wasn't in here last week, but I can get this back as results, and then for result in results, and then to get the value back out, this result is also an NS managed object like this user is. And so to get the value, you do value for key, and then you call the key. But now for next week, what I want to do, I have this way done, but I want to do it with the subclass. And so what you do with the subclass, for this part down here, you cast it as your class, and then you can just get it just like you normally would out of an object. So then you don't have to remember this value for key, and so then it's just like your object.
That's cool.
So yeah, I think Brother Barney's definitely right that going with a subclass is the best way to go.
Yeah, I think it makes more sense.
And it makes more sense.
It's more simple.
Yeah.
Having to here's the key for this. You're just like,
okay, here's the object. Yeah, yeah.
And that's more like a hibernate way to do
it. So I'm gonna have that subclass thing working for the next time. But here's a working example, and that saves it, and then that loads it and prints it out down here, so you can see that it does work. But any questions?
So we should make it so that it shows in your label thing.
With results.
I know. So yeah, that was right what we were getting ready to do. So let me make a var result string. Just declare it like that. Oh wait. You do this right. String.
You don't need the semicolon.
Oh yeah. Stupid classes. So then in here, let's do result string equals Can you do plus equals with Swift?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Thank goodness.
I don't know if you can do
That's
plus
gonna be-
equals with a string though. I think you can. Let me look.
Trying to think of the best. I like to
1%.
print things out
I think
pretty, but
so. How does that work? So for the variable, do you do open parentheses result close parentheses dot value for key? No, I don't know. What doesn't it like?
I'm not sure. I'm just this isn't Sublime. It's good. It's better. Man, I'm getting really used to Sublime. Everything else drives me nuts now.
I love Xcode.
Yeah.
I wish you could write PHP and everything else in Xcode.
Maybe I'll just set one of these as it, just to see if I can. Oops. Okay, and then after this, I would do the label name.
Yeah, so yeah.
How do I know what this name is?
So you just declare it up with the rest.
Oh,
of
with
them.
everything else, and then.
And this you won't want the label. You have to switch. I can't remember. Do you switch?
No,
It's just outlet.
it's outlet.
Okay. It's just the action ones, huh? That you switch.
Mhm. Yeah, because I think you can have it like the outlet. I think it's like, oh, this is what's going to display or something.
Then when I name that result
Or the button you don't
label,
want to do.
why'd you say dot? And then you do that
Text equals
and then
whatever.
equals.
Result string. You have an error on here.
I think it's just.
As string.
Mm.
Oh.
That's funny. Why shouldn't it should come out as a string?
Well, did you declare result string as a string? Oh yeah, you
I
did.
did.
There.
Maybe get rid of the. Is it the bang it doesn't like?
Click it. There we go. Here, what if you did this right here?
Weird. All this string stuff.
As bang.
As bang.
That's what it was saying.
Bang string. This doesn't like it.
Oh, because now that needs to be a bang as well, because now it's a.
Variable was being used before initialized.
It's initialized. There.
There's some buggy stuff with the string stuff with Swift.
Yeah.
I don't like it.
I'm wondering if you just did this, so string. And then this. Variable result string. What if you just did this? Oh, for each. You're just doing the names, right?
I was just gonna do. So you're just gonna put it in there and just see if it.
See if that works right there. Oh. Okay, I think I know what the problem is. I think it's something.
Declared that
It's.
as
I think.
string.
Yeah, I think it has something to do with the do catch. It seems like it's funky. I think I think I was reading somewhere, like it's like a closure, and so I think it's like everything needs to be in there. So I'm wondering if you need to put this in the do.
Isn't that interesting though? I thought one of the cool things with closures was that you could declare variables.
Yeah, I think so. It seems like I've been having problems though. That seemed like something weird with the do catch.
And that seems really bad.
Yeah,
So I'm using the fetch request and the do catch.
Yeah, see, I don't know. It seemed like
Sorry, popcorners.
Yuck. Everyone always makes fun of me at work for them. So, load result. Oh, it stops. Don't succeed. I don't know.
Oh, did you put a breakpoint there?
No, I was. Where's the summary editor? It kills.
That's weird. Oh, optional.
Yeah.
And that is because we need to make it a bang. Now stop and rerun. Build succeeded. Load.
Yeah! That's awesome.
But it seems like there should be multiple.
Well, that's what I was trying to do with the result string and concatenating it, because it would only print the last one.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. So then if I was doing it like nicely, I would concatenate all of them and have them all separated off. But I don't want to take the time to do that right now. I know it.
Wait, where is it? Yeah.
Everyone here.
I see what you're saying. Oh, wait. Where's the? No, that's the close. That's the closing for the do. Yeah, I don't know why it doesn't do that.
Yeah, it's funny. It says it's not. We're using it before it's declared when it's declared right there.
For result.
And it'd have to be var because.
Oh, wait. How did you have it before? Okay, your vault string. Yeah, I don't know. That's weird. Because I wonder if you put that in the do. No, we tried that, huh?
Huh. That's weird.
Yeah.
That's cool though. You got it.
Yeah. Now let me get it back to how it's working. There. Okay. Well, thank you guys for watching part 3.